Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you feel today? My anticipation is well by the grace of Almighty Allah. And me too. All of you are welcome to NIABS Home School. This is Abir Hussain Khan, Assistant Teacher in Mathematics at Day Shift of National Ideal English Version School. My dear students, today I am going to take a mathematics class for class 3. And our topic is word problem, which is in page 39, and question is 2 and 3. And this topic is included in half yearly syllabus. And you know that, my dear students, very last one from, you know that today is our lecture 14 and our HW is 12, and HW will be the same as this class. Now, my dear students, go to start our class. Question number 2. Monthly income of Nazma Begum is Taka 8,950 and her monthly expenditure is Taka 8,725. How much is her monthly savings? How much is her monthly savings, my dear students? Now we will start her monthly income. So monthly income, how it will be 8,950 taka. And what is the monthly expenditure? Monthly expenditure is 8,725 taka. Now draw a line to make the answer. My dear students, you have already understood that here is expenditure and here is income, and we have to determine monthly savings. So it is a subtractional problem. So we have to subtract 8,725 from 8,950. Now 5 from 0 goes to 10. 5 from 10, it will be 5, and there is carry 1. 2 and 1 is 3. 3 from 5, it will be 2. There is no carry. Now 7 from 9. 7 from 9, it will be 2. That means 225 taka. So the monthly savings is 225 taka. So answer 225 taka. Hope, my dear student, you understood this one. And now let's go to the next question. Question number 3. In a cricket match, Bangladesh scored 386 runs and Australia scored 242 runs. Which team scored more? First question is, which team scored more and how many more runs? So the second question is, how many more runs? So given that Bangladesh scored 386 runs. Australia scored 242 runs. My dear students, look here, 386 and 242. Which one is greatest between them? This is the greatest number. So since 386 is greater than 242, therefore Bangladesh scored more. We have already gained the first answer. Which team scored more? So Bangladesh scored more. Now the second part. Now this is 386 and 242. We have to subtract here 242 from 386. Now 2 from 6 it will be 4. 4 from 8 it will be 4. And 2 from 3 it will be 1. That means morons 144. So the answer of second question, how many morons? Morons is 144. So the total answer, first question answer is Bangladesh. And second question answer is 144. Hope my dear students you understood this one. Question number 2 and question number 3. You have to practice more and more at your home. Practice more and more to solve this type of problem correctly and properly. See you soon and till then Allah Hafiz.